Hey, welcome back to Postal Barbecue. I'm Jabin Postal, and today is Christmas Day, and I couldn't be more happy to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. 2020 has been a year that none of us will ever forget, the good, the bad, and for sure we won't forget all of that delicious food that we cooked up. You know, it's been amazing to see so many people watching these videos, and a lot of fun to see all of your posts that you've tagged me in as you've tried out many of these recipes. And so to say thank you, I want to give away some of my new barbecue rubs to help you celebrate this season and this coming year. I truly feel blessed to help inspire you and to be able to put out these barbecue videos to help you become a better backyard barbecue hero. And so to win this barbecue rub gift, all you need to do is leave a comment down below letting me know what was on your Christmas wish list this year, and then I'll draw for the winner this New Year's Eve. Again, Merry Christmas from my family to yours, and remember, be kind, be calm, and stay safe this holiday season.